Happy Friday, 5th graders. Welcome to another day of math. You all have done an amazing job this week multiplying and dividing decimals. On Monday, we used a place value chart and place value discs to multiply and divide decimals. On Tuesday, we used the pictorial representation to multiply and divide decimals. Wednesday, we read the story Pigs Will Be Pigs, and I have enjoyed looking at your Flipgrid responses. They have been amazing. On Thursday, we continued to multiply and divide decimals, but using the abstract or the algorithm. And today, I have a performance task for you that I think you're going to enjoy. Let's get started. So today, you are going to be working for a phone company. Let's call it the RPS phone company because why not? And the RPS phone company wants you to design a phone that is comparable to the ones listed here. The area of the phone has to be comparable to the size of the screen dimensions on the phones listed here on this page that you're going to get. They want you to make a phone that has the biggest screen on the market. The biggest screen. We got to be able to see those things. The biggest screen. But the area of your screen should be less than 107 square centimeters so that it can still fit in your pocket. Do you think you can handle it? Are you up for the challenge? I cannot wait to see what you come up with. I can't wait. Let's get going. Head on over and download the directions on the learning pad. I cannot wait to see your phones. I mean, I enjoyed that task, so I hope you did as well. Can't wait to see what you came up with, the dimensions, if you designed a phone. So excited to see it. Now, let me show you what I did. The first thing I did was to determine the area of the screens of the three phones that were already there. So the iPhone 8, which had dimensions of 14 and 4/10 centimeters times 7 and 1/10 centimeters, I came up with an area of 102 and 24 centimeters squared. For the iPhone 7, I came up with an area of 92 and 46 centimeters squared. And for the Samsung Galaxy, I came up with an area of 101 and 32 centimeters squared. Now, I know that my phone has to be the biggest screen on the market. Well, out of those three, the biggest one was 102 and 24 centimeters squared. So my phone needed to be at least larger than that. So I looked at the dimensions for the iPhone 8 and the Samsung Galaxy, and I noticed that it was 14 and 9/10 centimeters. So I wanted to go a little bit larger than that. So I first tried 15 and 2/10 centimeters times 7 and 1/10 centimeters. But when I multiplied those two numbers together, it was 107 and 92 centimeters squared. And the phone company said that my screen had to be less than 107 square centimeters. So that's not going to work. So then I decided to go a little bit smaller. Instead of 15 and 2 centimeters, I went with 15 and 1/10 centimeters times 7 and 1/10 centimeters. And that was still too big, but I noticed that I was getting smaller. So I decided to go a little bit less. I went with 15 and 1/10 centimeters times 7 centimeters. And when I got the area of those dimensions, I ended up with 105 and 7/10 centimeters squared. So that is definitely a possible option for my phone. It is the largest of the ones listed, and it is less than 107 centimeters square. But I wanted to go a little bit further, so I also tried 15 times 7 1/10 centimeter and came up with 106 centimeters squared. So that one would actually be the largest, and it is within the parameters of being less than 107 centimeters. So that is the one that I would go with. Don't forget, head on over to Flipgrid, upload your responses if you use the sheet to design your own phone, or if you decided that you were going to create your own one, maybe just a piece of paper. I want to see it because I know that you are creative. I mean, we're 5th grade. We got this. So let me see what you did. Now, have the most amazing weekend. Great job this week. I can't wait to see you back next week for some more math. Bye.